My name is John Walsh with Logic Group, and in this video I am going to introduce you to our Logic Tray system. The Logic Tray system consists of an electronic tracing board, also called a digitizing tablet, a pen stylus, and a cursor, and the Logic Tray software. Now with this Logic Tray system, somebody can easily trace and save a file, or they can trace and calculate. So for example, suppose somebody is in the CNC or the CAD industry and they have a part or a pattern and they need to get that design into the computer. All they have to do is put the pattern or the part on the digitizing board, take the pen stylus, and quickly trace around the part and then save it as a DXF file for loading into their CNC or CAD software. Or suppose somebody is in the apparel industry and they have a pattern that they need to get into the computer. Just place that pattern on the digitizing board, take the pen stylus or take the cursor, and then just quickly trace the pattern and then save it as a DXF file. The software can also trace and calculate. Suppose somebody needs to calculate areas and lengths from a set of blueprints. They just put the blueprints or the plans on the digitizing board, they start up the software, they set a scale, and then they take the pen stylus or cursor and then digitize points on the set of blueprints, and it will calculate areas and lengths. Now these boards come in a variety of sizes. This here is a 44 by 60 inch, but we also have smaller ones that go down to 12 inches by 18 inches. But the other thing that we have developed is we've developed the jumbo tracer. With the jumbo tracer, we can hook up 8 of these boards together and trace very large patterns. Now, we are very excited that recently we have released our new version of the software. We completely rewrote the program in Python. The first thing about the new software is it runs on a Windows computer, Mac, and a Linux, all three. The other thing is the software can be run in 15 different languages. Run the program in English, Spanish, German, French, several different languages. The other thing that we like about the software was we have now programmed the buttons. The user can decide which buttons they want to use to do different commands in the software. Same thing with the pen stylus, the buttons can be different commands. Well, one of the things that I really like about the new software is we can move the computer screen onto an iPad and put the iPad right on the digitizing tablet. Now I can push buttons on my iPad to control the digitizing, and as I trace the pattern with the pen stylus, I can see it right there on the screen. I can also do the same thing on my phone, where I can use buttons on my phone. The other thing that's neat about the phone is I can digitize points on my set of plans, and I can see the computed areas, right, the calculated numbers right on the phone. My name is John Walsh. We have several videos that show how the product works. Thank you very much.